As Dr. Davison and Mr. Hansel explained, production layers are the many elements or component parts of a documentary film. An element may be used alone in a film, but oftentimes elements are layered together, and always with a creative and rhetorical intentionality. For example, to build emotion, music is often paired with still images, photographs. And of all the elements, text is the one that is used most sparingly. And even then, it's almost never used alone. It's still used in conjunction with some sort of graphic or image. As you think about all of your project's production layers, you might want to go back to your research essay and look for text that might work as narration. It's very likely you have entire paragraphs that with just a few tweaks would be perfect to be read in your documentary film. You might also look in your research essay for words and phrases that could be overlaid onto images. As you think about scripting out your narration, keep in mind that most people speak around 130 words a minute. So there's absolutely no way that all of your research essay can make its way into this documentary film. Some editing and cutting out is absolutely required. As you collect material for layering and move into storyboarding, remember that you should reach out with any questions. I'm happy to work with you, and you can also contact Dr. Davison and Mr. Hansel, who are co-directors of Documentary Film Services. Also, keep in mind that our university Documentary Film Services website at doc.appstate.edu is a wealth of resources. As always, thank you for watching this video to the end. Take care.